How is it going, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know that it has been quite a while since my last video, but I did get married during that time and I was also on a holiday, so that's kind of my excuse. But this video has actually been requested quite a lot of times during that time, and it's probably the question that I get asked the most overall. And today I'm going to be basically showing you how to find high quality images that you can use for your sports designs. It's very, very easy, very quick. I know there's been a few issues with like Getty image downloaders that people have been kind of using for like medium resolution images, which aren't really the best. So I've kind of moved away from that, and I use this technique whenever I create my own personal designs. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. And obviously, if you enjoy the video, please do leave a like and a comment. And if you'd like to see more of my content, make sure to subscribe. But now let's get into it. So the only thing that you're going to be using for this image search is Google. It's honestly so easy. It doesn't take you long at all. And yeah, you basically just go on Google, type in, I'm going to look for Lewandowski as he has scored a hat-trick in his most recent game, and I would like to see if there's any images out there. The only thing with this technique is that there aren't probably as big of a choice of images as there would be using a Getty downloader, but obviously the images are much better in terms of resolution and quality, so it kind of balances out, and it may take a while, maybe not straight away. They won't be available straight away after the game. It might take a couple of hours or maybe even a couple of days after the game for them to become available. But basically search for whatever player you want to use for a design. Essentially just go on images. Obviously you get tons of results, but a lot of these are quite low resolution. Obviously, there you go, 350 by 350. But so this is what you do. Use the advanced search function. So you just press the tools, press the advanced search, and then you go into the image size and you just scroll down. And ideally you don't want to be using anything less than 6 megapixels. So you just want to check that. Do the advanced search function, and then there you go, there's loads and loads of results. And then one more thing that you might want to do, obviously with the game being quite recent, I usually go into the time and maybe let's say the past week, as then obviously the most recent images only pop up. So there we go, 5 hours ago we've got this image, 3000 by 2000 pixels straight away. If we just open that up in a new tab, as you can see, the quality is pretty good. It's not amazing, but it's a lot better than what you'd get on a Getty image downloader. And then maybe let's say if you there you go, if you were going to use this one, let's have a quick preview. There you go, much better quality and resolution. And if you obviously look there, 6000 by 4000 pixels, it's incredible. It's such an easy way to find images. Obviously it might be a bit difficult with kind of less known leagues. Obviously if you're doing designs for like the top 5 leagues in the world, it should be quite easy to get imagery, as there should be quite a lot of photographers involved, and obviously these images will go out online quite quick after the game. But if you're doing something less known, it might be a bit of an issue. But for general use, this is what I use for my designs now. It's great, you know, the images are really high quality, and if you do want to obviously use an upscaler as well to make them even clearer and more detailed, you can do that, and it works every time. But yeah, just a very quick video to kind of get back into it. If you've got any other video suggestions that you might want me to cover, any tutorials, any kind of other techniques and tips and tricks that you might want to ask me about, drop it in the comment section down below. Obviously make sure to leave a like if you enjoy the video and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and I will see you guys soon.